It's AK the closer with the golden impact, baby.
It's too easy. It's too
Hey, it's
easy.
too easy, mate.
I'm screaming. Okay. All right. So 15% of what I make, that's 15% off of 10K for the done for you, 15% off of the 8K for the done with you. The done with you, I will be helping them with their actual channel. Okay. And then the correspondence that I just want to know how we'll map out how that will look. So basically, what I need to get to you then is the actual recording of the webinar to then bring these clients in. Because if I don't have any clients to bring into you, then this is pointless.
It'll go on, yeah, but you're doing a live one on Sunday, right?
Yes.
So Monday and next week I can have a full packed calendar. We're gonna get money on Monday, girl. Like, I'm not joking. We're gonna like, they get on my fucking Zoom, Jasmine. They're giving me money.
Right.
It's just that easy. It's that easy. I can guarantee
It's
the first person that gets on my Zoom will pay me for a done for you channel from you.
right.
I didn't even
Um,
know you were coming on my Zoom. I knew nothing about that meeting. I just saw your name. I'm like, I don't know who this is, but let's let him in. I didn't know if you were here to talk about Brendan stuff or YouTube or my stuff. I know nothing because I have so many different offers and my Zoom is always open. I don't know, but it's
Okay.
just professionalism and how you handle every high.
Okay. So I'm ready for this then.
Yeah, you are, girl. And you know what? You met me at the perfect time, you know?
Yeah, because financially, we got to go up another level.
Dude, that's what I'm telling you. Like,
Okay.
crazy shit. Crazy,
All
crazy
right.
shit.
So, okay. So you have to get so what's next?
So I gotta
The,
pull up an
how do we
agreement.
book them? How do we do that?
Exactly. So, first thing we need to do is lock in. Second thing we need to do is I need to get you with Danica tomorrow or today, and she is. Let me call her real quick. She is my funnel person and my GHL person, and then
And
we'll
you
get
said you want to
rocking.
do a whole separate one from what
So if
I
you
already
have a
have.
funnel, we can just do this Sunday, just real quick to keep your funnel real quick, your link, right? And then, but I'll give you my email and my calendar, and you can just have that calendar be mine. So that's why it's just quick. But then we'll start all the duplication and start the new CRM in mine, and then you can eventually like drag off of that one and put it to bed and not pay for it. Um, and then so
Oh, I
this,
don't pay for that, so that's another thing.
oh, you don't pay for it?
No, I
Sure.
do service for service on that. I
I
don't pay for
love
that.
that shit for GHL.
For my CRM, my lead generation, I don't
Love
pay
it.
for that.
Okay, good. And so you don't do, so how do you get leads then?
I just set up the funnels, or if I want like them to set up a specific funnel for me, then I'll pay them to do that. But like the actual software I don't pay for that.
Okay, cool. Okay, so let me pull this up real quick. All right, so now a big part of how I do things, so it's basically a 3 month minimum because I need to have time to set some shit up, right? Me and the VAs, me and the squad, I should say. Um, so we could do it where it's a 3 month thing. We could do it where if you trust me, we could do it for 12 months. You get the best rate. You get 13th month free. Um, but it's up to you. What do you want to do so I can give you the best thing? Tuesday is Brandon VP's best time to meet. Can we do Tuesday, by the way?
Tuesday. Yeah, we can do Tuesday.
All right, I'll send a specific time for you. We'll coordinate that throughout this. Okay, what time for you? What time works for you,
And
buddy?
Brandon is for what? Brandon is
The
for
VP for Faceless, just to kind of finalize
seal
everything.
the deal. Got
Yep.
it.
Uh,
Okay.
deal's already sealed between me and you, but just to let him know what's happening. I don't like to do any shady shit like that, you know.
Mhm.
Um, Yeah, so do you want to just do the 3 months, test me out, or do you want to just like, hey, this guy, the AK, the closer, is fucking crazy. Let's rock.
So it just depends on what the commitment is.
What do you mean? You can cancel at any time, obviously, but the commitment would be a fucking 12-month thing. Just give
So
you
what?
access to all
So,
the
oh, you mean for the closer and the setter?
for me, yeah, for the director services, girl.
Got it. Okay.
Jeez.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. And that's Sunday. Okay. Bet. And then we'll do it for Sunday. Okay.
Yeah, what time is your webinar? I can even be on the webinar if you want.
I'm gonna call him literally right after this and see if that's okay.
Yeah, I can
Um,
be on the fucking webinar for sure. This way I
it's
can
at
be there
he
and
goes
direct them
yeah,
to
he goes at 7 and then I go at 8.
you can even direct them to me. Yeah, if you have any questions, ask Andrew in the room and I'll raise my hand. Hey, AK the closer hat. You know.
Yeah, this is gonna be a big audience. I'm excited.
Good, me too. Because I listen, I created with it, Mike Barron, we did an event, live event in LA. I collected $10,000 in 2 hours.
Nice.
No one
Yeah,
else told me shit. Dude, money just comes to me. So
easily and abundantly.
yeah, you see it. You see, it's the energy. Money is nothing.
So let's get it started. I don't know what I should commit to because obviously I'm usually the pay in full type of person. I don't like to
I'll give
do
you if you want to pay in full for the whole year. I'll rock with you for the whole year and just give you a discount.
yeah, the
I'm afraid
only
of that
thing.
shit. It's so look, I normally charge fucking 6 grand a month for my retainer,
Mhm.
just for me. Um, but when you lock in for the year, it's 5 grand a month. Now, if you want to do a paid in full option, I could do it at four, 4 grand a month, and then whatever that is times 12, 40, 48, whatever it is for my sale. Absolutely, fuck yeah, done.
And then 4K for the year. So just pay I don't know if I should do 48K one time. Well,
If you want
I
to do
probably
all
need
of
to
it
do
full, you can just do 40.
40 for the full year.
Yep. And 13 months. You get the 13 months for free with my full thing. So from now until next March.
All right, I gotta hit my plug. That's perfect. And then okay, so when I do it for the full year, it would be the 40K for 13 months. Okay,
Mhm.
perfect. And that's not including the closer and the seller, the 15%, correct?
Correct. That's
Okay.
just for the whole services and automations and streamlining and me managing
Your
literally.
business. Correct. Okay. All right, I like that. Because that 40K is something that could be made back within a month.
Bro, yes. Now don't hold me to listen. I told you like I refund you the thing, but we're doing a whole fucking year. So like it'll break that down into per month, and that's what you're gonna get back per month guaranteed. Okay. So basically, I'm guaranteeing you 4 grand a month every month. And if I don't, I'll give you 4 grand for that month. Okay. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
I don't want you to think, oh shit, he didn't bring me 40 grand that first fucking month. He has, I have to clarify that shit.
Okay, bet. I'm with this.
All right,
I
let's
need to
go.
hit my plug though and get a new credit card.
How much do you have on the credit card now?
It's done. No, it's after speaking to you, it's complete.
It's always
Because I have two other investments. I invest in businesses. I do business acquisition, and I
okay.
literally have a contract out right now. I'm just waiting for it to close. And then I have my other client. I'm waiting for that one to close too. So as soon as those close, it's bringing in cash flow on top of the YouTube channel. Like this
Jeez,
is
girl, look at you. We all
all
about
risk 2024, educated risk all
good.
2024.
All 20. I love it. Good for you. Good for
Like
you.
that's
Good
it.
for you. All right, so let's rock with this. So Jasmine Mason. Actually, I'll put your business email. So
Yeah, company or something.
all right, so what we're gonna do, um, 12
Let me get
month
something.
agreement with 13th month free.
You
Uh,
said you have a funding guy?
do I have a funding guy?
You
You
said
mean
you did, right?
like a person
For
that can have finance people?
yeah, business
Yeah.
funding.
Yeah, yeah. If you know someone else, I would love to, sheesh. Um,
I have a few, but I
discounts.
love to ask because you never know who could get me more.
That's true. I do know some people if you need them, for sure. discount for paying in full, for paying in full. 48,000 normally reduced to 40. Okay. What's 40 divided by 12?
40 divided by 12, 3.33. So you mean 40K, right? So it's probably
Say more
3,300.
than 4,000 a month in,
Yeah, $3,333.33.
if not, that month is free, or she or company, and I'll put this company, can add on to end of term. Fair?
Must bring more than 4K a month in cash. If not, who's calling me? Not picking it up. 4K a month in cash. If not, that month is free, or company can add on to end of term. What do you mean company can add on to end of term?
Add on, my bad, extra month at no cost at end of term. So basically, at the end of the contract, if I didn't hit 4,000 in 1 month, you can add in another month for free without paying for it, for me to just
Mhm.
do your shit.
Nah, I'd rather, because what
Okay.
if it's like
So
3
I'm
months?
asking. So that's why I
Yeah,
wanted to
no.
see. Okay,
Let's
cool.
just do it that year. Because that way the trial run 12 months. That's a long time too. So it
I
should
feel
work.
that. I feel that. All right, cool. So done. And then anything else you want me to add here? Starting Sunday to, what's the Sunday's date? The 19th?
The
Or
18.
18th.
But we have to, I gotta get business funding. So mm, let me hit the plug.
Well, I mean, we could do like you could do a small deposit today. We could figure out the rest like next week when you get some shit. Um, what do you have today?
That card's maxed out from
From the last one? That's
from
too.
you, yes.
That's too funny.
Literally. I feel like if I can get on the phone with them tomorrow, get the data points in, and get approved tomorrow, take what, 3 to 5 business days. Credit is good, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay. So I also, you do have your own credit share. I was gonna say you can use, like, do you have any money on like hand at all right now?
Yeah, but I don't use cash for investments.
Do you want me to refund you the cash when you get the credit card back? And do
Mm,
a full swipe on the credit card?
nah, I'm gonna just have to call him tonight. So then 40K, okay. Yeah, because 40K is not gonna pull right now.
Yeah.
And it's 4K a month. Okay. That's
I mean, you can
fine.
just do like a 5K deposit, and then when you get the card,
Nah, I'm not, I don't want to over leverage. Mm, 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 mm. If I could just make that right back.
legit, on Monday, girl. They fucking sign up on Monday, or if I get them on Sunday, do you know how much money we collect on a webinar? On the webinar?
Yeah, I'm about to call him and see how many people are going to be on this thing. I just need something to put this money on, though. Mm,
You tell me. You want to wire it?
no, because that's cash. I don't use
Oh
cash
yeah, that's right. Duh. Fucking hell. Stupid
for
ass.
nothing.
Yeah, you
Nothing.
just use on credit.
Nothing. I need my reward points,
Yeah, that makes sense. That
respectfully.
makes sense. What credit cards do you have right now?
I have a few, and they're
Which one?
all
Put
invested.
something on.
I'm literally waiting for 2 closings. Like I called my buyer today for him to close the contract, sign the contract. But it's not a problem. I just have to get more funding.
Yeah, I get that for sure.
Um, all right, so here's what I'll do. Let me call them literally now, and then I'll call him for the webinar. I'll call him for the funding.
Jasmine, I like working with you already. Like, I like working with you already.
Yeah, because I'm ready to spend my money. That's why.
No, I look for energy because I can get anyone to spend money, but it's energy and it's camaraderie. It's how you vibe, right? Like I vibe so well with Brendan, but like it's just the vibe, you know?
That's very true. 100%. Okay, I feel like by the meeting on Tuesday, I should definitely have that in the bag. And you said what time was gonna be Tuesday?
I don't know yet.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
But this is separate though from that stuff. So I don't want this being brought up
Oh
with them. You know what I'm saying? This is like a whole separate entity. You know what I'm saying? Like they're gonna tell me to broker everything because I'm the guy that started it, but you know what I'm saying? Um, so look, what do you got today? So I'm okay, like we're gonna rock no matter what, but I just want to get something here and then we could work out the rest when you get your fucking credit cards.
yeah, I just got that 50K card and it's maxed out after that 30K.
Wow. You spent another
Yeah.
20 on that motherfucker?
No, there was already 20 on it. That's why if you said anything above 30, I've been like, yeah, you wild. And like respectfully, I would have had the too easy you. Like, listen, 30K is a lot for you. But this is it. And I got the interest free. The only reason why I did that is because you got the interest free for the first 12 months.
Well, look, you can use Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm if you want it, since you got amazing credit. That's 10K right there. I'm just saying.
Yeah, but there's no card for that to go on.
Yeah, yeah, that's our funding partner. What do you mean?
Yeah, you have a funding partner. Yeah,
It's
see what they'll
Affirm.
yeah, see what they I want to know what they'll be able to give me. What bank they're gonna go after.
All right, let's do it. Hold on. Hold up. Let me pull it up. Let me send this to you real quick. And then just sign this mother trucker. I don't know why there's no spot for credit card stuff actually.
And
So
what do you know what fee they charge for their funding?
15%
Oh hell, never
over
mind. I'm gonna just hit the plug.
yeah, exactly, right? But
I'm
no,
gonna just hit my
only
plug.
no, hold on. But they have interest free for 6 months.
Yeah, my plug give me interest fee for 12 months. That's
Well,
how I
yeah,
got the
but what I'm
50K.
saying, you're gonna get the card, but it hits your credit, right? If you look,
But that's not a problem.
so my stuff here. How the fuck? Okay, so you need to give me some game. You need to give me some damn
I
game.
gotta go.
Fuck.
I will. I definitely
I know
will.
you will. We definitely gonna fucking
Hit that recording
definitely gonna
button.
be
I
fun.
don't know. We gotta talk off.
I do gotta stop that recording though.
Yeah.